Hey everyone, and a warm welcome back to the channel. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to breathe new life into our trusty Redmi Note 7 Pro. We're going to be installing the latest, albeit unofficial, superior OS built on the cutting-edge Android 15. This ROM promises a sleek, modern interface and a whole host of new features that'll make your phone feel brand new. Now, before we dive in, let's get the necessary disclaimers out of the way. Flashing custom ROMs is an advanced procedure and carries inherent risks. There's a chance of bricking your device, losing data, or encountering unexpected bugs. So please back up all your important data. To boot into Orange Fox Recovery, you'll typically need to power off your device and then press and hold the power button and volume up button simultaneously. Keep holding them until you see the Orange Fox splash screen. Alright, we're now in Orange Fox Recovery. The very first step is to wipe the necessary partitions. Navigate to the Wipe menu. Here, we'll be wiping the cache, Dalvik, and data partitions. After wiping cache, Dalvik, and data, we need to format the data partition. This is a crucial step to ensure a clean install and prevent potential conflicts. Go back to the main menu and select Format Data. You'll be prompted to type Yes to confirm. Go to the Install menu in Orange Fox. Navigate to the location where you saved the ROM zip file. Select it, and Orange Fox will begin the flashing process. The flashing process will take a few minutes, so be patient. Now, we need to reboot our device into the new system. The first boot after flashing a new ROM can take a significant amount of time, sometimes even 5 to 10 minutes. And there you have it. You've successfully installed superior OS based on Android 15 on your Redmi Note 7 Pro. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials, and share this video with anyone who might find it useful.